Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Siri not working on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to turn on your Siri on your iPhone and you see that it is not working on your iPhone and you want to fix that, then what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection, because Siri will not work offline. So here you have to make sure about that. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to look for the Siri settings here. So here you have to make sure that you have turned on this toggle, which means allow Siri when locked. So here you can simply provide your passcode. Moreover, you can also set the setting whether you want to talk to Siri or not. So here you can simply turn on the gesture, and you have to simply make sure that this is not set to off. So if you want to use the Siri, then you have to simply say hey Siri, and after that it will start work. So you have to check for that you have not turned off the Siri. So you go back and check you have set up your Siri if it is not set up, because sometimes it reset. So here you can simply make sure about that. So moreover, you can also set Siri responsive. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply restart your device and try to use the Siri again. But before this, you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection and it is working well. Moreover, you can also restart your Wi-Fi router so that there is no internet glitch. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.